This is Maureen. She looks after her mum full-time. Vascular dementia. She works evenings at a care home, juggling shifts around her caring responsibilities. A few months ago, she got a brown envelope. The DWP were asking questions about her earnings. She did not have a single record to show them. She found the threshold checker at CarersInfo.com/threshold-checker. She ran her first check, then saved it, then the next week, and the next. By the time she replied to that letter, she had 17 weeks of logged evidence. I used to hope I was just under the limit. Now I actually know every single week. If that sounds like something you need, this video will show you exactly how to do it. If you have just got the threshold checker, welcome. You have made a really good decision. In this video, I am going to walk you through everything, step by step, nice and slowly. By the end, you will know exactly how to use every feature, and you will have run your very first check. First, how to get the tool. Open any browser on your computer, phone, or tablet. Type this into the address bar: CarersInfo.com/threshold-checker. You may want to bookmark this page for future reference. The first thing you will want to do is run an earnings check. Choose how you are paid: weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. I am paid monthly, so I will select monthly. There is my result: weekly net earnings, the threshold, and clearly safe. Now see what happens if I earn £900 a month instead. Suddenly I am over the limit by just £6.50 a week. But if I also have childcare costs while I work, £150 a month, I can add that here. And now I am back under the threshold. Same wages, safely under, because of my allowable deductions. Now let me show you the what if simulator. This is for times when you are considering extra work. Before you agree to anything, type in the extra amount here. With £20 extra overtime this week, I am still safe, but only £8.12 to spare. But £30 extra, I go over the limit by just £1.88. Use this every single time before you say yes to extra work. Every time you run a check, you can save it to your weekly log. Each entry shows the date, your net earnings, and your status. Over time, this becomes your proof record, evidence that you have been actively monitoring your earnings. When you want to save your records, click the Export button. This downloads your full earnings history as a file that opens in Excel, and that is everything. You now know how to run a check, use the what if simulator, read your weekly log, and export your records. From now on, check your earnings regularly. Check before you agree to any extra work, and keep your log up to date. The threshold checker is £27, one payment, lifetime access, no subscription, no upsells. You can pay by PayPal or by direct debit or credit card. No PayPal account needed. And if you are not completely satisfied, there is a 14-day money-back guarantee. The link is in the description below. Just a quick note. Everything in this video is for general information only and is not benefits or financial advice. If this video has been helpful, please give it a like. Take care of yourself. You matter just as much as the person you care for. And thank you.